Eggshell powder, made from finely ground eggshells, is rich in calcium and other minerals. Here are some potential benefits of eggshell powder. Eggshell powder is primarily composed of calcium carbonate, which is highly bioavailable. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and overall skeletal health. Studies suggest that eggshell powder can increase bone density, particularly in postmenopausal women or individuals with osteoporosis, by supplementing calcium intake. Calcium from eggshell powder can help remineralize teeth and protect enamel when used in oral care products or consumed regularly. Eggshell membranes, the thin lining inside the shell, often remain in the powder. They are rich in collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, which may reduce joint pain and improve joint flexibility. The collagen and trace minerals in eggshell powder can support skin elasticity and hydration when used in DIY skincare or taken as a supplement. Using eggshells for powder minimizes waste and provides a sustainable source of calcium and nutrients. Eggshell powder is also used as a natural fertilizer to enrich soil with calcium, benefiting plants like tomatoes and peppers. As a dietary supplement, add a small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon, to smoothies, soups, or baked goods. In skincare, mix with honey or yogurt for a gentle exfoliating mask. For oral care, include in DIY toothpaste recipes. And for gardening, sprinkle around plants or mix into compost. Ensure eggshells are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before grinding to avoid contamination. Consult a healthcare provider before consuming, especially if you have kidney issues or a high calcium diet.